Do you have a
So, kailan kayo
response
magbabayad?
to this claim
Ang
about
tanong, kailan kayo magre-refund?
meters?
I'm sorry, Your Honor. I didn't quite catch the question.
Yes, he's talking about meter deposits. Do you have any response to the claim of Congressman Villaferte?
Since thank you, Your Honor. We just like to clarify that we have been above board as far as the meter deposits have been a requirement ever since. Actually po, nung panahon ho, nung pinromulgate yung Magna Carta, sometime 2004, as I mentioned po earlier, ang ruling ng ERC, the Magna Carta is in fact yung dokumento po na pinromulgate ng ERC for the protection of consumers. It was decided then by the ERC in consideration of the consumer's plight not to require the meter deposits anymore.
Wait. The question is, there's a claim that there will be refunds to be made with regards to meter deposits. Is this true or not?
Your Honor, based on the Magna Carta, it was a requirement for all utilities to submit a meter deposit refund schedule, which I believe most of the utilities have complied, and I believe ERC is reviewing and they're now working on the final draft of the refund program. Iyon na lang po hinihintay po ng lahat ng mga utilities. Nakalatag na po lahat doon ng requirements.
So Meralco is not denying any liability on this matter. You're just waiting for the... You're not denying liability as to the refunds. You're just waiting for the proper time until ERC sets the guidelines. Is that it?
Your Honor, we will honor any instruction of the ERC granted to Meralco.
Ngayon, Mr. Chairman, ikaw tuloy ang sinisisi.
Just for the information of the members of the committee, Mr. Chairman, I have here with me the draft rules which may be promulgated next week.
Next week?
Yes, because we asked them to submit their last comments on May 23, last Friday, and up to now, we will evaluate the comments and the draft rules is here.
So may pag-asa.
Malaking pag-asang bayan.
Anyway, with the assurance of the chairman and having since it has already been established na talagang may utang ang Meralco, ang katagal-tagal na hindi nagbabayad at pinasa na ngayon sa ERC na desisyonan nyo na raw, and next week daw, Mr. Chairman, next week, baka naman yung refund na yan, 10 years to go. Ano ba yan? Ano ho ba yung schedule? Baka 10 years to pay. 10 years collection, 10 years to pay. Lalong lalaki yan. Ano po yan? Matatapos ba yan ngayon? Bago mag-Christmas? Bago mag-Christmas mo lamang?
Doon sa public hearing na kinondak namin, ang request ng electric cooperatives is 10 years. But under our rules and guidelines, we are considering that the refund be done within 5 years as the maximum.
Yan po ba equal? Equal, divided into equal parts per year.
Dito sa rules namin that we will provide the committee after we shall have promulgated it possibly next week, you will note the manner by which payment should be made, because we cannot determine. There are those whose deposit was in 1974 up to 2007.
So, ganun nga po.
2004, no?
I wish that the pending proposal na ito pong 34 billion na refundable ng Meralco cannot be refunded except if it is spread over a 5-year period. Sana po naman siguro ginamit na nila yung pera ang katagal-tagal those are trust funds. And I would even like to summon the auditors. Maintindihan natin, ano ba ang treatment dito sa accounting books nila? Is this treated as a trust fund? O ginagamit nilang kung ano-anong bagay bago isauli? So I would appeal to the chairman, and I think they will still...
We will check on that.
Kung pwede sana
But,
po, wag naman lalampas sa 2 taon na lamang.
Well, we will
Dapat
consider.
sana ngayon ang taon eh.
We will consider your suggestion, but we have to take into consideration also the viability of the operations of the company. Not only Meralco, this is directed to all utilities, the 140 distribution utilities that required deposits. By the way, I'd like to inform the committee members through the Mr. Chairman that there is an interest
Yes, yes.
on this.
Kaya gusto ko nga po sana naman ang manggagaling sa Meralco and the other utilities eh. Dahil yung deposito as principal, galing sa consumer yon. So ang babayaran lang nila galing from their own internal funds are the accrued interest. And it will not be to the benefit of Meralco and the other private utilities to continue adding 10% per annum when in fact they can borrow at a cheaper rate from the banking sector at less than that. So pag ganun po, intact yung principal. Hindi naman nawala yun unless they diverted it. Pangalawa, yung interest as a former banker, dapat humiram na sila, they will save money. If they can borrow at 8% or 7%, it's better off na magbayad na sila within this year para hindi na sila madagdagan pa ng mataas na interest. Mababa po ang interest ngayon. Meralco can even borrow at 6 or 7% per annum. So yan sana po, please consider that point dahil hindi nila pwedeng i-claim na hindi nila kaya. Kaya po, kaya.
Mr. Chairman, I move to adjourn.
Mr. Chairman, before adjournment, may I just request that we also invite the external auditors of Meralco, considering the issues brought out, and First Gas, considering the issues brought out during these hearings.
Santa Rita. Santa Rita also. So, thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for bearing with us. Again, I'd like to thank all the resource speakers for trying their best to answer the question.
Salamat, dadala ko ng office. Sarah, dala ko office,